For demonstration, here we have 23 stitches on my needle. 20 stitches multiple of 10. 2 times 10 plus 10 is equal to 20 plus 3. Extra stitches 23. Here I make this pattern after cast on because we make a border pattern. So here we cast on, simple cast on with single thread. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. First row right side, pull these all stitches till the end of row. First we knit stitch. Now yarn in front and all pull these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. First row is complete. Now second row wrong side. In this row pull these all stitches till the end of row. Second row and every wrong side rows we make same, pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Now this is third row right side. Slip and starting of this pattern, knit 1. From here we start our repeat pattern. Yarn over, knit together from back loop. That's our repeat. Yarn over, knit together from back loop. Again we repeat this pattern till the end of row. Yarn over, knit together from back loop. 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 Here we complete 10 times repeat pattern, last edge, knit edge from right side. Third row is complete. Now fourth row wrong side. Again pull these all stitches till the end of row. Pull edge from wrong side. Now this is fifth row right side. Knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. Fifth row is complete. Now sixth row wrong side. Again pull these all stitches. Ball edge from wrong side. Now this is 7 row right side. Again knit these all stitches. Knit edge from right side. 7 row is complete. Now 8 row wrong side. Again pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Now this is 9th row right side. Slip edge. Starting of this pattern, knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here we start our repeat pattern. Now here we make 8 rows, 1 to 8 rows, and this is your right needle. Take this needle from under of these 8 rows and take this stitch. Now take this stitch and take this stitch to back to front side. Now take this stitch on your left needle and knit this stitch. Now knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a repeat. Here we knit 1 stitch from back to front side and knit this stitch and knit 9. This is 10 stitches pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Again we repeat this pattern. How much जो है we have last 2, 4, 6, 7 stitches. Again take your right needle from these 8 rows and take this stitch on your right needle. Now knit this stitch from front side and knit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9th row is completed. Now 10th row wrong side. Again pull these all stitches till the end of row. Pull edge from wrong side. So 10th row is completed and our pattern is also completed. This pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. So you can use this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girls top, baby frock. So friend, if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.